Hey guys, this is Factory 3D and I make a Mario is a half meter size. If you like it, just stick it on. We're gonna start glue this all in and you're gonna see how they're gonna be in the end of everything. Please like, subscribe and leave your comment in below. Okay? See ya. We see soon when we have this done. Bye bye. Hey guys, did you see how that looks like? I didn't glue the head, but so I got that done and I left it off, so I can put the head there and as well the head for it. Damn! Just put it in as well. So we can glue all if you want, but I don't want to glue it. So good, looks good. So leave your like, subscribe and comment in the bottom and let me know what you want to see in the next video. And as well, if this video get up to 3,000 likes, so I'm gonna do one of the size of a person, my size. I'm gonna do one life-size Mario like this one. All right, so comment and subscribe and leave your like. See you in the next video. Bye.